Dear students, we have already learnt how to locate root 2, root 3, root 5, root 6 on the number line. I would like to brief it once again. First you have to draw a line and locate 0 anywhere on the number line. On either side of the 0, you have to mark equal units on either side. The units, the length of the unit depends on your convenience, need not be 1 centimeter. Here I have taken each unit as 3 centimeter. What you have to do is, after marking units, equal units on the number line, you have to construct a right angle triangle with base is equal to 1 unit and height is equal to 1 unit. You have to construct a right angle triangle with base is equal to 1 unit, height is equal to 1 unit. Join OB, that is hypotenuse. The length of the hypotenuse will be root 2, and this can be shown by actual calculations using Pythagoras theorem. What does it state? In a right angle triangle, the square on the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. That is, right side opposite to right angle is OB. OB square is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides, means OA square plus AB square. Taking square root on both sides, OB square becomes OB. So square root of OA square plus AB square, you substitute the values of base and height, that is 1 square plus 1 square, you will get root 2. Dear students, here the length of the hypotenuse itself is the root 2, and the same length is shown on the number line using compass. You can, by using the compass, you can show the same length on the number line. Is it not? Even you can locate minus root 2 on the other side of 0. Okay. Next is, you have to construct a right angle triangle with base as the hypotenuse as base. Now you have to select the hypotenuse of this triangle as base and height is equal to 1 unit. So hypotenuse becomes base and you have to construct height of 1 unit. Join the hypotenuse of the newly formed right angle triangle and its length will be root 3. Once again, this length is shown on the number line using compass. So if you can continue in the same way, that is taking the hypotenuse as base and height as 1 unit, you will get one more right angle triangle and you have to join the hypotenuse. That will be the required real number. Here we have got root 4. Root 4 is a real number, but it is not an irrational number, because root 4, the value of root 4 is 2. So it's an irrational number. Once again, this one as base, hypotenuse of this triangle as base, and height is equal to 1 unit. We have to construct another right angle triangle. So join these 2 points. That length will be the root 5. So once again, this length is shown on the number line. So in this way, you can continue to locate root 6, root 7, root 8, etc. Dear students, whenever you are asked to construct root 5 on the number line, root 6 on the number line, root 7 on the number line, no need to start from here, root 2, root 3, root 4, root 5. Directly you can construct root 5 on the number line, root 5, root 6 and root 7. That also I had already explained in the last class. See, I have already told you length of the hypotenuse itself is the required real number and same length should be shown on the number line. Is it not? So now you are asked to locate root 5 on the number line. So let me write one right angle triangle here and the hypotenuse is root 5. Is it not? Length of the hypotenuse itself is shown on the number line. So therefore, let me take root 5 as the hypotenuse. Here, OB is equal to root 5. So try to write root 5 as sum of the squares of two numbers. So it can be written as 2 square plus 1 square. OB is equal to square root of 2 square plus 1 square. 2 square means 4 plus 1, 5 once again. So here compare this with this right angle triangle. So OB is equal to square root of OA square plus AB square. Is it not? So how much is OA? That is base 2. And how much is height AB? That is 1. So now you have to select base as 2 units and height as 1 unit. You have to construct a right angle triangle. There you will get the hypotenuse as root 5. So length of the hypotenuse, that is root 5, is shown on the number line using compass. Did you understand, children? So let me explain once again. So you have to construct a right angle triangle with base 2 units, and height 1 unit. Is it not? So then the length of the hypotenuse will be root 5. Again you can continue by taking root 5 as base and which one height as 1 unit. You will get another right angle triangle. There the length of the hypotenuse will be root 6. And if you continue the same by constructing new right angle triangle with hypotenuse as base and the height as 1 unit, you will get other real numbers. Okay, so root 7. So in this way you can construct root 8 also. Okay, so whenever you are asked to construct root 8, no need to start from root 5, root 6 and root 7. So to locate root 5, root 8, root 9, that is root 9 is rational number only, root 8, root 9, root 10, root 11, you can directly start from root 8. Once again, apply the same method. See here, to have hypotenuse root 8. Here, hypotenuse is root 8. I have shown that the hypotenuse is root 8. So in triangle OAB, let me write, that is OB, hypotenuse is root 8. In the previous case, try to write 8 as the sum of the squares of two numbers. So it is 1 square plus 1 square, it is 2. 2 square plus 1 square is 5. Next is 2 square plus 2 square. Is it not? So 2 square is 4. 2 square is 4. 4 plus 4, 8. So compare this with this right angle triangle. OB is equal to OA square plus AB square. Is it not? Square on the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. From this working you can make out base should be 2 units and height also should be 2 units. So what you have to do is, once again, draw a number line. Okay. Select 2 units. First you need to select 2 units. Base, from this calculation only you can easily make out base should be 2 units. Height should be 2 units. Okay, let me take 2 units. This I will mark this one as A and this as O, this one as A. Here I have to construct perpendicular to OA. I have to draw a perpendicular to OA which is equal to 2 units. Is it not? So this is a reference point. So 2 units means how much? 6 centimeters, because each unit is 3 centimeters. So you can join and then afterwards you can. So let me join this. First let me draw the perpendicular first. And with the help of compass. So base is 2 units and you need to take height also as 2 units. So this point, let me write this point as B. So join OB. So this is root 8. So 2 units, base, height is also 2 units. So now what you have to do is making this one OB as base, that is hypotenuse of this triangle as base, and height is equal to 1 unit. You will get which one? As in the earlier cases, you will get root 9. And once again, hypotenuse as base and height is equal to 1 unit. You will get root 10. Try to do these sums in your home. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.